Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. We are going to keep this video quick and to the point because I did share this job lead back at the end of October, but Ross is hiring yet again. So just in case you missed out the first time, I thought I would reshare. Of course, I always just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, Ross Dress for Less, or Ross Stores, has all things clothing and home decor at a discount. They have 9,900 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an HR services representative. Now, way down at the bottom here, it says this position may be performed remotely anywhere within the United States. So it doesn't seem that they have any state restrictions, but they're basically looking for somebody to monitor various HR inboxes. I'm assuming these are email inboxes, and respond to the inquiries that come through there, escalating anything that needs to be escalated up. You also have to be on the phone taking incoming phone calls from different levels of associates that work for Ross, responding to routine inquiries following established procedures. You're also going to collect any information designed for work groups from calling the HR general phone number and handle anything like that. You'll also just be a help to HR where hiring is concerned as well, researching candidate qualifications and eligibility, contacting the applicants, verifying their education and background, and you'll determine whether a background check should be passed or failed, just looking at all the outcomes of the background screening. Now, they do prefer a bachelor degree or higher, 1 to 3 years of some kind of administrative experience. Of course, you got to know those Microsoft Office systems like Word and Excel and have great attention to detail. But if this is you, they pay very well, anywhere from $21.39 an hour all the way up to $30.91 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.